Hello everyone, today you join me with a 2022 Honda Civic hatchback. This one has the upgraded 1.5T 4-cylinder engine and is crucially paired with a 6-speed manual. Which means today is going to be a lot of fun in this little POV drive. We're in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, there's no traffic anywhere, which means we can enjoy the Civic for what it's worth. Take a look around this guy. The hatchback is the second body style introduced for the new 11th gen Civic. I think it looks quite good overall, basically the same as the sedan up front until you come around back. Very practical, very nice. And this guy should scratch the itch that people often have when they're told the Civic Si will only come in the sedan, because there are buyers who want the 1.5T engine and a 6-speed stick in the hatchback. And so let's drive this guy and see if it's any fun. Okay, the car is warmed up, the traction control is off. There's no sport mode in the manual, it's only for the automatic, but whatever. The manual transmission, I guess, is the sport mode. Clutch is super duper light. Check out my full review on this video to understand all the details about it. But for now, I'll shut up and get to driving, which is what matters with a fun Civic. Not bad. Turning around 2,600 revs at 70 miles per hour in 6th gear. Uh-oh. Get around this guy. Thankfully, there's no one really here. Not even sure what he's doing here. I'm not sure how he even got here. This is way out in the middle of nowhere. I would assume that's his friend. Rev hang is still not great. hear that nice clicky noise from the dials up here? Very satisfying. Can you guys hear the shifter? Hang on. Just letting you know the shifter is very satisfying in this car. Watch the review. All right, I'm gonna lean into it. Oh, the rev hang. Sorry, clutch. God, that is egregious at redline, my goodness. It's not nearly as prominent when you just shift around 3 or 4 grand like you would in everyday driving. In case you guys are hearing wind noise, because I know I am right now, it is exceptionally windy at the moment. Trust me, this car is actually quite well insulated normally. Just the winds up here are brutal right now. This thing does just flow so nicely on a winding road. It's uncanny for a regular plain Jane Civic. Probably don't need second because his engine has so much torque, but why not? Oh, the rev bang. Look at that grip, that's amazing. Just really digs into the corner despite being a regular open diff Civic. very confidence inspiring. Very impressive drive. I think for the SCCA autocross nerds out there, this thing would be a really competitive car in stock class because it has that great torque and great front end bite. It just needs a better tire package, and this thing will be ready to rock. Also, in typical Civic hallmark fashion, it will give you a little bit of a trail brake. It will give you that little bit of rotation if you lift at the right time or tap the brakes at the right time in the corner, which is nice. Man, I can't wait to drive the SI now, and definitely the Type R. Honda did a great job with this little car. Very nice. Very impressed. Aside from the winds, it's a beautiful day here in the canyons. Cold, about 40 degrees, but beautiful nonetheless. Very clear. Hopefully you guys have a decent view of what's happening out here, because this is a fantastic drive. One of the more seldom seen ones on these sorts of videos, but it's a real good one. Very nice. Such a nice driving little car. Honda did a great job with this new 11th generation Civic. Even as a regular model, this thing does drive beautifully on a winding road. And if you watch my review, you'll see it's also very, very competent for the day-to-day drive, as you'd expect a modern Civic to be. And this shows a lot of potential for the 11th gen Civic platform. I really can't wait to drive the SI because I think this is already such a great base. Building upon that with a limited slip diff, a bit more power, things like that will be really, really nice little package. In any case, guys, my name is Jake. You've been watching Drive, Brake, Fix, Repeat. Thanks for tuning into this little POV drive. I know I don't do these super often, but this is a fun little car, so I figured I'd go film one. Yeah, that's all I got. So see you guys next time. We're going to do more fun things with cars. Bye.